How to make Facebook account completely private on phone. Hi everybody, in this video I will tell you how you guys can make your Facebook account completely private on your phone. So it's very easy. You just have to open up Facebook on your phone, and then after that, once you guys have Facebook opened up, now from over here just simply click on your profile picture at the bottom. Then from over here click on the top right on your profile, and then after that just simply click on edit profile. And then after that you guys can basically edit your profile's information. But come back, click on these three dots next to your edit profile button, and then after that just simply click on privacy center, and then after that just simply click on follow settings, and then after that just simply change it to friends, and then after that change everything to friends or no one or friends. And then after that, once you guys now save, your account is going to be completely private because nobody else is going to be able to view your account except for your friends or the people that you allow. So guys, that is how you guys can basically make your Facebook account completely private. Thank you so much for watching. Be sure to like, subscribe and share. Till next time, goodbye.